All right, everyone. So today's video is not going to be a super happy video like normally. This is a Bluetti buyer beware video. Well, I have an off-grid building here on Grandma's Homestead Haven, and I power my off-grid building using my Bluetti AC300 and 2 B300 batteries. Now, I bought that as a set on eBay, and I love it, okay? I love it so much that I saved up my money and I bought another battery right here. Now, this battery has caused me so much stress, okay? I cannot say that enough. Bluetti, I'm really disappointed in you guys. All right. First of all, when you have customer service, have customer service in our time zone and not on the other side of the world, which, they reply at 1 o'clock in the morning when most people are sleeping. Yeah, not good. Also, don't call them on Friday because nobody's working on Friday, because guess what? It's Saturday because customer service is on the other side of our globe. It's not in America. Another disappointment, Bluetti. So 2 weeks ago, I purchased a backup, another battery to add to my solar system for my off-grid building. I was so excited because in November, I bought the original AC300 and the 2 batteries. And like I said, I love them, okay? I got them on eBay, and they had a special where you could get 20% off up to $500. And I took advantage of that, and I bought that set right there. Well, eBay and Bluetti are running that sale again. So I said, okay, cool. I have some money saved up. I'm going to buy one more battery to add to my off-grid building. So I purchased this battery, the B300, and the first thing they did is they sent me the wrong battery. They sent me a B300S, which is for the AC500 battery. It's a beautiful battery when I opened it, just not the right battery. And actually, the battery they sent me was like $500 more than the battery I purchased. Within minutes of opening the box, as soon as FedEx delivered it, I called Bluetti. It was a Friday morning Central Standard Time. Okay, of course, I get customer service that says somebody will not be able to call you until Monday. And I said, why? It's Friday morning. Why can't somebody call me today? She said, because they're not in America. They're in China. First flag, right there. I said, okay, no problem. So Monday comes around, 1 o'clock in the morning, I get an email. Well, this goes on for 2 weeks, back and forth. They want to see pictures of the battery. I'm like, for sure, this is not the battery I purchased. Trust me. Here's some photos. Okay, so we go through that. Then they go through this whole rigmarole of sending me a label to ship it back to Bluetti. Well, the label wasn't even my address. I was like, what is going on here, guys? Attention to detail, please. I would like to have the battery I purchased. So finally, after 2 weeks of going back and forth and getting the correct label, I ship it back to Bluetti, and they received it last Friday morning. Okay, I shipped it on Thursday morning. They received it on Friday morning. Of course, I don't hear anything because China is closed on our time zone of Friday. So I had to wait till Monday of this week. So Monday rolls around, I hear nothing. Then Tuesday, I get an email from FedEx saying my Bluetti battery is coming the next day. That's today, Wednesday. I'm super excited. I'm waiting for the FedEx lady, and we get my battery loaded, and I bring it to my building, and guess what? Well, the ad said near new, like new. That is not what Bluetti sent me. Very disappointed in you, Bluetti. Let's open the box and see what you get when you have employees who don't care what they send out the door. Okay? Let's open the box. Let's just say, first of all, I put everything back in here very neatly after I saw the battery. It was not in there neatly when I opened the box. Should have taken a photo then, but I didn't. So I regress there. Let me sit this down while I open the box so you can see the near new battery that Bluetti sent to me. Grandma is disappointed in you, Bluetti. Okay, the box has no damage. The damage is the actual battery itself. Has all kinds of marks all over it. Hold on, let me get this thing. Okay, so I'm going to try and show you some of these marks. It's kind of hard to see with the lighting in here. But yeah, the whole top of this is damaged. Okay, so I moved the box to the doorway so that I could have more light come in so you can see what I'm talking about. Okay, it's kind of hard to see on this camera, but do you see down here? That is not dust. That is like damage to, this is all damage. All these marks is all damage. All this is not dust. This is like marks all over the battery. They are everywhere. Okay, look at this. It's just all beat up. And this handle is loose. You hear that? Let's look at the other side. You can see, look at all these, look at all that damage. You see it all up close? You can see the handle's tight on this side. So, that's how you know the other side is, look at this. It's just damaged everywhere I look. And I'm really worried about the handle. If I try to lift it, I sure do not want this 100-pound battery breaking and falling on me, causing damage. I mean, this battery is beat up. It's beat up on every side, okay? Look at this. Look at all this damage. Do you see it? It's all over this battery. Now, this is a like new battery that they are selling us. I can't really lift it that good and hold the camera, but the front is all beat up also. Has marks all over it. Well, this is my buyer beware video for Bluetti. Now, I contacted them and I sent them photographs of this battery. Okay, so today I did contact Bluetti again by telephone. I left them a message and then I called them back again, and finally I got a customer service rep who was very, very nice to me, a very nice woman. And I explained to her what the whole situation is and how I finally got my battery, and then it looked like this. So I sent Bluetti like 10 photographs of all sides of this battery to show them what I was mailed. Now, of course, her email said that it will take 1 to 2 days for them to respond back to me again. So, you know, I don't know what's going to happen here, but I am very, very disappointed in Bluetti because I love the batteries. I love the set that I already bought, and I'm using it, and it works great, okay? But when you buy a near new battery, these were near new when I bought them on the sale, and they are immaculate. They looked perfect when I unpacked them. I haven't had any issues with them. All I can say is I love them, okay? I love them so much that I was adding another battery to my off-grid building. That's how much I love this set, okay? I mean, I'm just a grandma. Nobody gave me any of this stuff. I had to buy all of this stuff with my own money that I had to work for myself. As you can see, there's my AC unit for my building, my little refrigerator, my freezer. So I was just getting everything set up. I ran all my own solar panels, everything. And Bluetti, I really love these things. But I'm really, really, really disappointed with what you sent me. This grandma cannot afford to be buying all this expensive stuff to be sent this crap for my money. All I can say, Bluetti, is I hope you make it right. And I hope you make this grandma happy. Because as of making this video, I don't know if that's going to work out for me or not. But you know what, guys? This is a buyer beware. And I always, always tell you the truth. And I always give you an honest review of a product. So, I just want to say, thank you for watching my video. And buyer beware. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.
Like and subscribe to Grandma's channel. Like and subscribe to Grandma's channel.